also both to let the participants learn about ESP32 and have some fun playing the hands-on and also finally play with the bots.
Give it to me like.
Rules are, you either push the robot out of the arena, you pop the balloon, or you immobilize the robot. Like you make the wire loose or something. You all have 120 seconds to do so. Hey, thank you everyone for coming for today's session. I hope you all have fun and look forward for more garage workshops coming in the coming sem. Yeah, thank you.